Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to hit that like button for me. Yeah. And subscribe for other awesome content. Alright. So guys, we're gonna make some simple ice cream recipe. Well, two. I'm gonna make cookies and cream. And the second one, this is my daughter's favorite. I'm gonna make some chocolate ice cream with this Nesquik chocolate syrup. I have my whipping cream. All right, if you don't use milk or you don't drink milk or you're lactose, use coconut cream. All right, this is about half box because I used some the other day, but I'm gonna measure it anyways and see how much I get out of it. So I get 1 cup and about 1.25 cups. And now guys, I'm just gonna whip this until it forms a peak. All right, so this is what you want, guys. You want it to form a peak. All right, now I have my mixture. I'm gonna divide it into 2 parts. I'm gonna add some chocolate syrup, and this is sweet, so you don't need anything more. All right guys, that's it. 2 ingredients ice cream recipe. And now I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons first. You want to fold it in. I'm going to put another tablespoon because I want it, my daughter likes it chocolatey. So in total, it will be 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna pour half in, and I'm gonna flatten it like this. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of chocolate. Smooth it out. It's chocolatey good. Woo. And the final thing, a little bit more chocolate. Swirl it around on it, guys. Yeah. All right, that's good. I'm gonna go in with my cling wrap and I'm gonna cover it. And that's one. And now I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 8 hours. So now 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. That's it guys. If you want it sweeter, you can add 2. Now guys, we're gonna give this a little mix. All right, just fold it in. I'm gonna put them in the bag. This one is the same as Oreo, but it's from the dollar store. Same thing. All right, so you can use the Oreo version or the dollar store version. Vanilla chocolate cookies. Okay guys, put some in the bag with the cream and everything, because this is where you're gonna get more of the sweetness from. I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna use my rolling pin and I'm just gonna smush it. If you like big chunks, then you leave some big pieces in it, okay? So I'm gonna leave it somewhat like this, so you can see some chunkiness in it, guys. And you wanna go over here and you wanna dump it in. And you wanna just give this a little mix. And that's it, guys. Cookies and cream. Yeah. That's it. And you know I have to give it a little taste. Oh yes. Heaven. This is amazing. And guys, if you want to tip a little bit of vanilla in it, you can go ahead. All right. And I'm going to pour this in. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna pop this also in the freezer. Wow, yes. Can you see the goodness, guys? Look at the goodness. Super chocolate. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of chocolate syrup on it. We're on to the next part, and this is my cookies and cream. Let's go in. Whoa, yes. Few little piece of the cookies. My delicious chocolate. Ooh, drizzle with some chocolate sauce. And my cookies and cream with this delicious cookie topping. Look at that. You can choose. Woo. Yes, guys. Have a good day. Bye, guys.